Now another thing I do want to show you is, again, there's nothing wrong with having proper fire extinguisher systems and also marking it properly. You gotta have your med kit. Yes, we got a coagulant chain on her. And I know I went a little overboard with like sucking chest wound stuff. I don't know if you can hear me anymore. These are for eye wounds. You got some coagulant, trauma bandages, your typical gauze, rubbing alcohol, regular band-aids. Also iodine. Gotta have your iodine. This Leucoplast or Duroplast 3M, and aspirin in case of a heart attack. Some people can't handle the heavy metal. So, subscribe if you want, but if you don't, I don't care. I do this because, and that's why. So, I am the heavy metal mechanic.